Traveling by plane is exciting, but it can be confusing if you don't understand the words used at the airport. In this program, we will teach you important airport words in English. It is made to help English learners like you feel more confident when using an airport.
Traveling by plane can be very exciting, but it has many special words and phrases. If this is your first time flying, if you travel a lot, or if you just want to learn new words, knowing basic airport words is very important. In this section, you will explore the essential vocabulary from check-in to boarding, helping you navigate the airport with confidence.
Hi, my name is Sarah Robinson, and this is the third episode of our series, Learning English with Podcast.
And I'm Joey Torres. We are here to continue helping you make your English better.
When you go to the airport, you first need to know about check-in and security. The first word we're going to learn today is check-in counter, the place where you show your ticket and ID, you receive your boarding pass there. Many airlines now have self-service machines and online check-in to make things faster and help you wait less at the check-in desk.
Yes, a check-in counter is a designated area at an airport where travelers officially register for their flight.
I think just like before, if our listeners hear a few sentences using this phrase, it'll make more sense to them.
Okay, let's roll with a few examples. Stay tuned, we'll be back in a sec.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I have a Lufthansa ticket and I'm flying in an hour, but I can't find their check-in counter.
No problem. The Lufthansa check-in counter is in Terminal 2, near Gate B.
Thank you. So, I should go to Terminal 2 and look for Gate B?
Yes, and you will see the Lufthansa check-in counters there. You can check in your luggage and get your boarding pass.
Great. I was worried I was in the wrong place.
Don't worry. Just follow the signs that say check-in counters. You'll be fine.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Hi, David. What time is your flight?
Ooh, hi Lisa. How are ya? It's at 10:30 a.m., but I want to get to the airport early.
That's a good idea. Are you going to the check-in counter first?
Yes, I have to. I need to drop off my suitcase and get my boarding pass.
You know, many airlines have online check-in now. You can skip the check-in counter sometimes.
True, but I prefer to talk to someone at the check-in counter. It's easier for me.
No problem. Just follow the signs at the airport. The check-in counters are usually near the entrance.
Thanks. I hope everything goes smoothly.
Excuse me, sir. How long is the check-in counter open before departure?
Is my luggage within the weight limit?
Can I get a window seat, please?
Excuse me, is there a separate counter for business class passengers?
Oh no, I really want to travel.
Yes, I feel the same. Traveling can make you feel relaxed and happy, you know? After lots of work and daily life tasks, a trip is really needed.
Yeah, for sure. After tons of work, a trip is absolutely needed. Okay, let's go back to the phrase we heard from the passengers. When you go to the check-in desk, you can ask for your favorite seat on the plane. If your luggage is too heavy, they will tell you.
For every flight, there is a standard limit on the weight of carry-on and checked luggage, and you cannot bring more than the allowed weight onto the plane. And keep in mind that you should get to the check-in counter on time before your flight, as the registration period is limited. If you don't make it, you'll run into trouble.
Another word that we should know is departure lounge. A departure lounge is the area in an airport where passengers wait after passing through security and before boarding their flight.
Yes, maybe you ask yourself, what can I find there? Well, there are many things to help you relax before your flight, like seating areas to relax before boarding, flight information screens showing gate numbers and boarding times, shops and restaurants for snacks, meals, or last-minute souvenirs, charging stations and Wi-Fi to stay connected, sometimes even lounges with extra comfort for business class or frequent flyer.
Yeah, I think our listeners can understand better if they hear a few short phrases from passengers.
I agree. Okay, let's listen to a few phrases from passengers.
Hello? Lisa? Yes, I'm in departure lounge. We waited in the departure lounge for about an hour before our flight was called.
Yes, it was totally boring. I grabbed a coffee and relaxed in the departure lounge before boarding.
Yes, I know. Well, there was a long line at security, but luckily the departure lounge was quiet.
Let's take a look at some interesting facts about certain airports around the world. I think you'll find them fascinating too. The first one is about Qatar Airways Lounge, Doha. Has 9 spa treatment rooms, a thermal jacuzzi, and a museum-style art gallery. You might forget you're at an airport.
A thermal jacuzzi and 9 spa treatment rooms? Whoa! I'd love to visit Doha someday. It seems like everything there is different and full of excitement.
Yeah. And another one is Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse. Offers Peloton bikes, a rooftop terrace, and even a pool table. It's basically a boutique hotel disguised as a lounge. The next word we're going to learn is baggage claim. It is the place you go there and collect your bags after landing.
Yes, baggage claim. Baggage claim is the part of the airport where passengers go to get their checked bags after their flight. There are conveyor belts with flight numbers. You need to find your flight number and wait for your bags to come.
There are some problems that people sometimes face. You know, Joey, things went pear-shaped.
What? Wait a minute. Things went pear-shaped?
Yes, when things get out of control or don't go as expected, we can say things went pear-shaped.
Okay, things went pear-shaped. What a useful phrase. At baggage claim, some problems can happen. Sarah, could you let us know what issues might come up?
Okay, problems that people might face, such as delayed baggage. Your flight landed, but your bag didn't. It might be on a later flight or stuck in transit. Tip: report it immediately at the airline's baggage service desk. Most airlines will deliver it to your hotel or home once it arrives. Lost luggage. Sometimes bags go completely missing. If If it's not found within 21 days, it's considered officially lost. Tip: file a Property Irregularity Report, PIR, and keep your baggage tag. You may be eligible for compensation. Damaged bags, like handles broken, wheels missing, or contents crushed. Airlines are responsible for damage that happens while the bag is in their care. Tip: take photos and report the damage before leaving the airport. Baggage mix-ups. Someone might accidentally take your bag if it looks similar. Tip: add a colorful tag or ribbon to make yours stand out.
Wow, you know a lot about these problems. Have you ever had these problems, Sarah?
Yeah, kind of.
The way you're laughing, it's clear those were some memorable moments.
Yeah, just thinking about it makes me laugh. It was kind of fun, but also a bit of a hassle.
Remind me to ask you about the story after the show.
Okay, airport luggage trolley, also known as a baggage cart or luggage cart, is a wheeled cart designed to assist travelers in transporting their luggage within an airport terminal. They are typically pushed by hand and designed to carry various types of luggage, including suitcases, briefcases, and carry-on bags.
Yeah. Also, there are benefits of using an airport luggage trolley, like they make it easier to transport heavy or bulky luggage, especially over long distances within the airport.
Yeah, airports are pretty massive, and dragging bags around can be tough. And Sarah, to be honest, I've noticed some folks just leave their baggage carts wherever. It kind of makes the place look messy.
Yeah, I don't like that. There are some places in the airport to return the trolley to a designated return area after use.
And the last point of using trolley is that be aware of any rental fees or deposit requirements.
We made it just in time. Let's head over to the check-in counter and drop off our bags.
Yeah, and I really hope we can choose seats by the window this time.
Same. After check-in, we can chill in the departure lounge for a bit. I could use a coffee.
Good idea. Oh, and don't forget to grab a luggage trolley. My suitcase feels like it's filled with bricks.
Already on it. These trolleys really save your back, huh?
Totally. And after landing, don't let me forget to go straight to the baggage claim. Last time I wandered off and almost lost my bag.
No worries. This time, we'll stick together.
All right, we've come to the end of the program, and we hope that this episode and the upcoming ones will play an important role in improving your English skills. Today, we learned some airport-related words: check-in counter, departure lounge, baggage claim, and airport luggage trolley. In future episodes, we'll explore even more useful vocabulary.
Our goal is to help you get more familiar with these words so that when you travel, you can use them confidently and understand their meaning. No confusion. Thank you for staying with us. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback helps us make the program better. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.
Thank you, Sarah. Everyone, I also want to thank you all for listening. I hope our program has been useful to you. See you next time. So long.